Hello friends, welcome. Here is another update from TPG, Trinity Project Group. Let's see what it says. It says, depending on the maturity of the enclosed network economy and the progress of the KYC, this period may begin on Pi Day, that is March 14, 2022, or Pi Day 2, June 28, 2022 or later. So KYC can begin on these two dates or later. The open network period means that the firewall in the enclosed network period will be removed, allowing any external connectivity, example to other networks, wallets, and anyone who want to connect to Pi mainnet. API calls will not be firewall, and pioneers will be able to run their own Pi nodes. And API services, pioneers will have connectivity with other blockchains. Community node can also run the mainnet. So this is the update. As per TPG, one Pi value with mutual consensus, they decided it to be $314 USD, but it is only the consensus value, not the actual value. And it is given with a disclaimer that TPG ecosystem consensus value of $314 USD per one Pi coin is still subject to change until the official consensus value is reached. So till then, we cannot guarantee what will be the value of one Pi. So with the mutual consensus only, they are saying that it should be $314 for each Pi coin. So now what are prohibited during the enclosed mainnet? So exchange of Pi for flat currency is prohibited. Exchange of Pi for other cryptocurrencies is also prohibited. Transfer for Pi for a future promise of flat or other cryptocurrencies is also prohibited. So this is from TPG Group. And also friend, one small thing, this video is only for educational purpose, so I am not responsible for any loss to anyone. So please apply your own thoughts and analysis before investing anything on this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.